You got 0 new patients from Google this month. Again, Action Behavior Centers? They're likely booking 40 assessments per week per location. Hi, I'm Kevin with Digital Authority Partners. While you're struggling to fill your schedule, other ABA clinics capture every parent searching for help. Let me guess, your clinic's half empty while parents are calling every ABA center in town. Your website feels cold and clinical. You're nowhere to be found in Google search results. And those expensive Google ads, they're just draining your budget with nothing to show for it. Here's the brutal truth. Parents in crisis call whoever shows up first on Google. Stride Autism Centers faced this exact problem. They had all the credentials, expertise, and state-of-the-art facilities you could want, but families didn't know that. Their website and search visibility needed to catch up with their clinical excellence. We started working with Stride in 2023, taking over marketing for their 24 Midwest locations. We built pages that dominated ABA therapy near me searches in every city they served. We created content for overwhelmed parents, not medical professionals. We transformed their Google ads from money pits into appointment machines. Come 2025, the numbers tell a whole different story. Traffic is up 428%. Consultations increased 62% across all locations. And Stride is turning families away instead of chasing them. Chicago Pediatric Therapy also shows what happens when DAP takes over your marketing. They were hemorrhaging money on ads that didn't work and couldn't get families to find them online. 4 months later, they go to the top of Google search results. Their ads started making money, and they actually had to hire more people to handle all the new patients. See the pattern? Both clinics thought they had a quality problem. In reality, they had a visibility and website conversion problem. Want to know the secret? Parents aren't comparison shopping for therapy like they're buying a car. They're drowning and grabbing the first hand that reaches out. Be that hand. Say we understand what you're going through, and your child can start next week. That's the DAP difference. We don't just run marketing campaigns, we put families in your waiting room. After working with dozens of ABA clinics, we know exactly what desperate parents need to hear. We've tested every approach, refined every message, perfected every campaign. You get our proven playbook from day one. What does that playbook include? Local SEO that puts you first on Google, PPC campaigns that convert, websites that turn visitors into appointments. You handle the therapy, we handle getting families through your door. Successful ABA clinics aren't better at therapy, they're better at being found online. Call us at 888-846-5382 or visit digitalauthority.me for more information. Because right now, a parent just Googled autism help near me. They'll book an assessment with whoever they find first. That should be you, not your competitor.